Made a video in Canva. Let me show you how to upload it to YouTube Shorts step by step. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to upload your Canva video to YouTube Shorts. We will walk through it together, and at the end, your video will be live on YouTube as short. First, make sure your video is in the right size. It should be vertical, and that's 9 by 16. You can also use Instagram Reel, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts template. All work fine. Once your video is ready, go to the top right corner, click share, and click download. And you have to make sure that your file type is MP4, and if you have Canva Pro, then you can choose 4K. If not, then this quality works fine too. Now click download and it will. So now it's saved to my computer. Now I will go to youtube.com and you have to click this create button and go to upload. You can select your video and you can drag it here, and you have to make sure you are logged into your right channel. And once your video is uploaded, you can make sure that your video dimension is right or not by simply checking this video link. If it says youtube.com/shorts, that means your dimension was correct, and if not, then it will not save as this link. Now all you have to do is add title and description like usual. Now scroll down. If this video is not for kid, then click this. And for me, this video is for kid. Then click next. And if you want to connect this to your previous video, then you can also do it. And I'm going to skip this one and click next. I'm going to click next. And now I can choose public, private, unlisted, and public. I will pick public, so I'm clicking public, and everything is right. I'm going to click publish. And that's it. Your shorts is uploaded. And that's how you upload your Canva video to your YouTube Shorts. And I hope it was super simple. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch you in my next video.